Here's the USBA to USB-C adapter. Works very good. Only thing I think that I do use it for is my camera that's USB-C, and this is 140 whatever. When I use the adapter, it actually only goes at 720 pixels, not 1020 or 1040, whatever it's supposed to be. Only complain about it.
Okay, so I purchased a new iPhone with the new USB-C port on it. I have more than one vehicle. Some have the USB-C, some have the old school USB on it. So I need a solution where I can switch the cables out, use the same cable, do whatever I want to do. So I bought this little dealio right here. It works perfect. Plug it in. I can use it in this vehicle or in another vehicle to have an old port like this, or I can just pop this out, use my USB-C on the newer cars, and still be good. So it's a great buy. I suggest you get it. I love it so far. There you go.
I bought one for my iPhone. iPhones suck, and it works awesome.